Welcome to our channel. Enjoy our video and watching the video until end to get fantastic experience from the video. Thank you. Rose flower. Prepare fresh turnip. Cut and remove veg skin. Carve flower petals carefully step by step. Become a beautiful rose carving. Prepare fresh tomatoes. Rose carving. Take a tomato, cut it 4 sides. Don't break it up. Remove the top. Another tomato, slice into 2 parts, thinly slice. Flatten it, with the end still above the other part, then roll it carefully. Prick with a twig, or you can use with smallest stick as a twig. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please feel free to press subscribe button to get first notification for our next video. Thank you.